Hi, my name's Rick. I'm from Bedford, New York, and I retired 6 years ago and began walking 4 to 6 miles as exercise a day. And all of a sudden, 6 months ago, my knees started to bother me. I could hardly walk. I was at a pain level of about 10, could not bend. Saw an orthopedic doctor who suggested and recommended that I have surgery because I had meniscus tears in both knees. After doing some research, I found out that surgery can have many post problems, and then read about regenerative care and found out about Optimum regenerative care. Came in, had injections in both knees, and can tell you now that I am pain-free. And after about 3 weeks from when I received my injection in each knee, I began walking my routine again of 4 to 6 miles a day. I highly recommend to anybody who has the pain that I did should come in and at least look into Optimum regenerative care.
Hello, my name is Barbara from Brewster, New York. I was in excruciating pain with a knee and my back. I had spinal stenosis, and I walked with a cane. I was in such pain, it was terrible. A friend of mine at church recommended that I go to Optimum Regenerative Care, and I decided to do that. When I came, I was influenced by the video that was shown, and I thought, rather than what the doctor suggested, my having surgery, I decided that I will give this a try, the stem cell therapy. I had it done about 5 weeks ago, and it was not painful to have it done. And over the course of these 5 weeks, I can tell you that it is a wonderful, wonderful therapy. I have no pain, and I have more energy. I'm getting so much accomplished at home and outside the home, doing things. I've become more active than I have ever been, both with my church and with my family and friends.
Barbara, what was your pain level before you started?
It was probably 9.5.
Yeah.
I have to say I have no pain. When I wake up in the morning, I'm a little stiff sometimes, but as soon as I start moving around, it goes. And all I can say is, if you're considering having this done, I would highly recommend that you do it. It has been wonderful for me. I am 81 years old, and that's why I want to live as long as Mel Gibson's father.